Hello, I am going to introduce a Magento module that I've just finished yesterday, and it will showcase a new feature, the subscription feature in Magento. So this subscription feature is not native in Magento, and a lot of Magento retailer need their product to be purchased not only as a one-off, but instead conveniently being purchased every week, every month. So how does this module work? I have set up a local environment with some simple and configurable product using the sample data. And some of these products are enabled for subscription, some are not. And here on that occasion, I will demo 3 use cases. The first one will be here we have a simple product, as simple as it can get. So we have the default Magento interface, and here this extra information is telling us that we can, if we log in, we can save up to 10% by subscribing to this product. So if you see, this indicates the web user to log in, which we are doing now. And once we are logged in, what we see is we can subscribe every week and earn 10%. So the subscription, once the subscription happens, our saving will happen by 10% on this recurrence basis. So we are adding this product to the cart, and here we find ourselves that we have now 10%. The recurrence is repeated for clarity, and our product is there. Now this also works for configurable, in which case I have to first select some options for it, and then the same message applies. Bearing in mind, it doesn't have to be depending how you set up the product in the backend. It can be with a recurrence of every week or every month or every whenever. So I have another product that I think it's a bug. Let's look at. So this is a normal product, and normal product can be still added to the cart, in which case we end up with a cart that has both product and let's put to 36. That's the one I'm looking for. This one is set up with several subscription plan, and therefore, instead of saying to me I can save every week that much, here is telling me I can save up to the maximum of these plans. So how it works is once I'm selecting this possibility to subscribe, then I'm offered all the plans for this product. So weekly 10%, monthly a bit less, each with a term and condition that can be set up in the backend. And when I decide to subscribe, then in the same way as before, this product is getting added. So here I have all the use cases: simple product 10%, configurable product with 10%, simple product with no subscription, and finally simple product with 5% every month, different recurrence. And now I can place my order, and what we will be validating is that our order triggers some subscription for our user. So the order is going to be placed now, and what the last things we want to do is going into the account area, and here we have a new tab called My Subscription, and in this My Subscription we have a listing of the subscription, including the one we've just done now. Have been done on the 9th of May. One was every week, 2 were every week, and the third one was every month. And finally, we could watch the order or any subscription that we do not want to be applying for the week we are at we can skip it, in which case we ended up with an active subscription but skipped. And therefore what has been happening is, instead of being the date is changing dynamically, although here the date is a bit off. Might need to look at that. But so we have now seen all the use cases and all the interfaces that changed in the Magento system for this specific feature. If Magento subscription module is something you are interested in, please do leave me a feedback as to what's missing for your specific industry or your specific product set in your catalog. And let's explore how we can improve this website, or even better, I will make this module public and accessible to your team next week, so that they can gain expertise of it and we can collaborate to improve it together. Thank you. Bye.